Cut excess toilet seat bolt length flush with the nut to prevent snagging and improve appearance. Start by confirming the seat and bowl are correctly aligned and the bolts are tightened to the manufacturer recommended snugness without over-tightening. For plastic bolts that remain, use a sharp utility knife and score the bolt around the circumference several times. Then bend the scabbed edge back and forth until it cleanly snaps off, keeping your free hand clear and using steady pressure to avoid slipping. If the bolts are brass or steel, place a small piece of scrap wood under the bolt heads to protect the porcelain and use a fine-tooth hacksaw to cut slowly and evenly, supporting the cut end so it does not bend and warp the threads below. After cutting, file or sand the cut end smooth with a small metal or plastic file to remove any burrs that could catch paper or skin. Always test the seat for movement after trimming by gently rocking it and rechecking bolt tightness because cutting before the final tightening can leave threads under-compressed and cause loosening. Keep the discarded bolt pieces and any metal filings away from pets and children, and clean the area with a damp cloth so no sharp fragments remain. The three most common mistakes are cutting before fully tightening the bolts, which can lead to a loose seat, using the wrong tool that creates jagged edges, and neglecting to protect the porcelain surface during metal cutting. If you cut too soon, back out the nut, retighten properly, and then cut. This ensures the flange compresses the seat correctly. For jagged edges, avoid pliers or blunt shears and switch to a utility knife for plastic or a fine-tooth hacksaw for metal, then smooth with a file. To protect porcelain, place a thin protective shim or scrap wood under the bolt heads and clamp gently so saw teeth or slipping blades cannot chip the bowl. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find and connect with local contractors and to help contractors find work relevant to projects like finishing toilet installations. We also host a discussion community on the site where homeowners and tradespeople share tips, ask questions, and post photos of finished work.